Without doubt, garlic has become a very popular food nowadays since it is an essential part of different types of cuisines. It is usually added to dishes to enhance their flavor, but garlic is also known to have potent medicinal properties, especially when eaten raw. It is believed that it can prevent atherosclerosis, heart attack, high blood cholesterol and high blood pressure, as well as coronary heart disease. Moreover, it is known to help with bug bites, cold, flu, hay fever, fungal infections, and traveler's diarrhea. Believe it or not, it also has the power to regulate diabetes and to control the symptoms of enlarged prostate and osteoarthritis. Garlic is also known to encourage the removal of toxins and to strengthen the immune system. If you decide to consume garlic raw, make sure you mash it and then take it on an empty stomach because a full stomach cannot absorb all its benefits. To improve your health and to strengthen your immunity, you should take a look at the following natural remedy consisted of garlic and honey. You will need 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of organic honey. Preparation: chop the cloves and then mix them with the honey. Use: take the mixture on a daily basis. Another very powerful tonic that can cure a sore throat and treat flu and cold symptoms is presented below. You will need 5 garlic cloves, a tablespoon of ginger, apple cider vinegar, a lemon, 2 red chili peppers. Preparation: before you begin preparing the tonic, make sure to put on gloves to avoid burns or rashes if your skin is sensitive. Then, chop the onion and put it into a mason jar from 350 milliliters and put them on the bottom of the jar, and then chop the garlic and add it to the jar. Next, add the hot peppers together with the seeds, as well as the ginger, squeeze lemon juice, and the apple cider vinegar. Make sure there is half an inch free space from the rip and keep the jar in the pantry. Use: if you want to use it as prevention, take it on a daily basis, whereas if you want to get relief from symptoms, consume it regularly until they reduce and completely disappear.